escape that.
Hello everybody and welcome to Watch Dogs 2 multiplayer! It is going hectic.
Woo, that was close.
Go faster.
Squad to air support. Unknown suspect on the move. Track location and report back. Over.
Nice.
God damn it, he's going
What are we
off the
doing?
road.
We're going on the...
Press C.
Lethal force if you have to.
I can't do that. When you're with two people, you can't do it.
We're on site.
Really?
I have ditched his car. Where the hell did he go?
We've got a patrol van and
Oh my god, look at the helicopter there.
Camera. No, I want to get out. I want to get a camera.
Squad, we're searching for the suspect now.
Keep an eye out.
Look at that.
He can't have gone far.
Oh my god. Really? Apparently, this
Looks like
car...
the suspect has abandoned his car.
Bye! He just popped out.
Oh my god.
Good game design, guys. Wait. Oh, I'm still sitting on the
Okay,
car.
we're good.
Alright, wait,
I'm gonna spawn over Auto Elite.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna get in like a heavy freaking vehicle.
He just
I'm gonna
popped
get a
out
very-
of... Did you see how he just popped out of existence?
Heavy vehicle?
He just popped out of just
This
like...
is the-
He just popped out of existence, like, bye. He just went, boop. And that's why we don't have nifty FOV settings in games anymore.
No refund.
No refunds. I'm trying to get every single car. Oh, hey, look, we have two cars. Yay. Nope.
Okay, this is the one with the flames is mine. That's the heavy vehicle that
Ooh,
I got.
nice.
Think the driver's okay?
Where's the gas station? Yeah! I'm a free car. Cool. This thing's slow.
This is like the newest heavy vehicle. Cause they added heavy vehicles to the game. Well, they always had it, but this is a new heavy vehicle.
Whoa! Yeah.
Why would you jump out? I'm
Oh, I
not
thought you were.
coming back.
Oh, I thought you were going to the HQ. Oh.
Yeah,
I
I do need to go to the HQ.
Well, then why did you? I'm gonna get inside before you.
Is that so?
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Now it teleports you inside the HQ instead of at the door.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
It always did that.
Oh. For me, it used to just teleport me outside the door, which was annoying.
Okay, I'm gonna change this gun.
I
So
hate.
this
I don't
gun's-
like the Control-Alt-Delete launcher. You run out of ammo so fast.
Paintball rifle. It even says it's a paintball rifle.
Are you kidding me? What the fuck?
Oh, I love the reactions from people when I dance. Just, are you kidding me? What dumb?
Whoa.
Yo, did you hear? There's some.
Far Cry 3, Blood Dragon game. I want to get rid of the Control-Alt-Delete launcher because that thing sucks.
How is it that hard for the people to find our lair? Our DedSec lair?
Where's the Kremlin? Where's the Kremlin at? The Gremlin. Or is it the Goblin? Wait, I have to buy the I have to buy the Goblin again. I have to buy the freaking Goblin again. Oh, no I don't. Oh, I don't have any money for it. God dang it. Well, I'll have that. Alright.
Are you coming here?
Oh,
Okay, good. You're here.
Ooh.
Come on. Let's go, fam. Oakland.
Bye.
Anyway, so we're playing Watch Dogs 2, right? We're playing Watch Dogs 2.
And then boom, magically editing into another game.
Ooh, that was close. I don't want to get this baby scratched. I mean, I just bought this.
With my money, money, money.
Okay, we need to do an online activity. So, get my phone out.
Somebody crashed into your car.
Really?
Yes.
Hmm. No, I don't want to go there.
Oh.
Whoa, what are these people doing?
I don't know. I literally don't know. They're just boom. Dude, watch out. Yeah, I think they dented your car a bit.
There you go.
You dented your car. Dun, 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 dun. Ugh. Hey, dude.
Woo!
Wait. I need to do some. I need to do some.
Whoa, what happened?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, hack the servers. What?
Oh, we're
Excellent.
playing a game mode.
Oh, good.
Oh, whoever can hack the most things wins.
Go,
Go, hack. Go.
Hacking. Side hackers. Oh dear. Oh no.
Come on, dude.
Bad driving. Good job. Hack the most things. Where is this at? It's right in front of us. No. I'm in. Oh god. Oh wait, no, that's above us. Crap.
I'm hacking A.
I'm doing B. I'm at B. Oh god, I died.
Where's Blue Hawk? Oh, I see him.
Kill him.
I saw him. Got him.
Oh no.
Whoa! He got me.
Hold on. I got you.
He's up there.
I know. Oh, where's...
Oh!
Is he outside?
Yeah, he's outside. No, he's inside.
Oh, I died by Blue Hawk. Oh crap. C, get C. No, go to A and B. I'm right
Hey, come on,
outside
dude.
C. Okay, I'm coming. Grenade, grenade, grenade. Crap. I didn't know we would have to do this. Okay, how do we get in from the roof? We can't. Unless we get onto the roof. Okay, I'm going in that way. Oh, they're right there, they're right there, they're right there.
Where are they?
They're above, they're in the top floor. Stairwell is not safe. Go to the ladder. Ladder. Ladder is the best chance. Hold on. Can I snipe him? No, get the frick up there.
No, what? 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 I pressed F, dude.
I have enemy, you can't frickin' melee anyone. You can't melee. He's in the building. He is upstairs. I wanna, wait till I get in so I can get, Here, I'll go up the stairs, you go up the ladder. Ready? And go up the stairs.
Oh, I see him. Got hit. One guy.
Alright. Pick up. And pick up. Come on.
We just need C. We're gonna win. We're gonna win.
Done.
Yes, we win.
Yeah. There you go. Woo.
Woo.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm dancing. I'm doing my own dance.
Oh yeah.
Wait, let me actually dance.
Oh yeah.
Wait, how do you dance? What's the
Where'd you
button
go?
for it?
Where'd you go?
I'm outside.
You left.
No, I'm here.
You left the session.
Oh, well.
Huh. Here, I'll join you. Yeah, you left the session.
There's something over there. Let's get
Oh,
Hey, this guy.
the game just spawned me in a freaking area that was freaking restricted, which was dumb. It just spawns the NPCs and goes, duh! That was fun. I like Hack the Servers more than the other one. With the package. I like the, why can I not freaking climb? I get it. Oh, you're unavailable.
Okay, connect.
Okay, I will. And join game. Teaming up with some Superset. Hoopa. Hoopa, 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 hoopa. Right, I am here. Can
Okay.
we do more Hack the Server ones? Because that was actually really, that was,
Yeah,
better.
no, they choose it on your own. The game chooses it, which one you want to do. Which one you're going to do. So, Showdown is a very good game mode.
Oh, Showdown
to
is
say.
just random things?
Yeah, just random game modes.
Where did
Well,
you
not-
go? Where do you go?
I'm here.
What?
Showdown, you could steal hidden drives, download the data, hack, or protect the servers.
Did you
Just
teleport
join me.
somewhere? Did you teleport
Just join
somewhere?
me.
You disappeared.
Just join me again.
It says
Join
you're
me.
unavailable.
Dude, just join me.
It says you're unavailable. Matt.
Okay, dude, join me now.
Okay.
Why is this happening?
Right now I'm in here? Oh, Why does it just keep randomly? Okay, do not click any joining things. Do not click any multiplayer game modes. Alright. Let me load in first. Let me load in. And then select some game mode. Player found. Connecting. Now we're searching for one other player.
Oh my god.
It's a dude. I stole the dude's money. Do you like my shoes or not?
Yeah, okay. I have premium shoes. These shoes are premium.
Quit messing around.
You.
This area is closed to the general public. Please move away.
Units 1031. An APB has been issued for an escaped felon. CTOS is tracking the suspect's coordinates.
Wait, you can actually have security versus cops? Wow. Oh my god, I just realized that. It's a vehicle! Oh dude, that dude did some sick parkour!
Where are you?
SMPD, cease and desist.
Yeah. Yeah.
How do you get your taunts open?
Z. I'm diving in the pool.
Oh, there we go.
Green.
Go! Hey, you! Hold it right there. Try anything or I will shoot. Oh, hey! Watch it!
Whoa.
Oh yes, finally we're starting.
Doom load. Get both players in the zone. While the enemy has none to download faster. What?
Only one team with the most players in the zone can download. Okay.
Okay. Oh.
Dead set and primate.
Go, 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 go. Open.
Go, go, come on, you gotta follow me. You gotta follow me, dude. Okay, we're downloading. This is our team. This is our team. Protect, protect.
Hide in here.
No, no, don't hide.
Oh,
Don't
what
hide.
is that? Freaking open both. That opens both.
Oh, I see one. I see one. Okay, I got one.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, one's right
Oh,
there.
snipe, snipe,
One's
snipe.
right there. Oh, I died.
No, he got me. He got me. Oh,
What-
we have 18% though. We have 18.
Oh, jeez, it's in my face. Ugh, on my face. Come on, get on my face. Oh, why do we spawn so far away?
Go together.
Hold on. You go, go the opposite side. Here.
Okay, I'll go this way. Surprise attack him.
Where'd he go?
He's behind here. You, okay. Get back in the download zone.
Oh, wait, I'm in the download zone. Here. Yes! I have cover and I'm in the download zone.
Both of them are here. Both of them are there. I killed one of them.
Alright, I'll kill him when he comes by. Oh, dude, get in here.
Rivals are close.
Please.
I'm coming. Don't
Hurry.
worry. Your fam is coming.
He's there. I think he's still there.
Okay, got one.
Ooh. Is there someone else? See, I'm in the download zone here.
Oh, I'll come with you.
Yeah, I'm in the freaking download zone. Get the frick out of my way. Hold on.
Oh, one's up there.
I blocked that dude. I blocked the dude. I blacked him.
Oh, rivals are close here.
You didn't do that, right?
No, I did.
Okay.
I did do it.
Whoa, some
Where
dude,
are the rivals?
some dude moved that. He's over there.
Oh, I see him.
Hey. Run, what's up?
Oh, I killed both of them
kill.
at one time.
Double kill.
I'm not even using my explosives.
Let me just block
I'm
this
using my
again.
tasers.
Let me just block this. Let me just block this. Oh, I see them. I see them.
Oh, one killed me.
Oh, that's sick. I can see them through the I can see where they are. Oh, where are they? They're right there.
Oh, I see one. He's coming
Oh
right
no!
behind you.
I died. I tried to shoot him. This thing is a massive knockback, and it is really awful. It is bad. Watch out. There's a second one.
Okay, got
Jump
him.
over. This shotgun is really horrible. Alright, shut the exits. Shut the exits. Shut the exits. Because that's why they're getting in so fast, because we're not shutting the exits. Like, set all the explosive stuff to explode. Here, I'll go. Okay. I'm upstairs.
No, one killed me. One killed me.
Oh!
He's right there.
Oh,
He's
headshot, headshot. Oh, shoot. I saw him. I don't know where he went. I think he's coming upstairs. Oh, he's right there. Yep, I killed him. Okay. Man, I love this shotgun. After I say I hate it. Alright, shut the exits.
Oh, one's right here. Okay, got
Killed
him.
him.
I got them.
Shut the
Yay,
exits.
we win.
Yay, we win. Woo.
Another mission complete. Well, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you guys later.